This afternoon, we're over in Seffner, Florida. Can't wait to show you this 4-bedroom, 2-bath pool home, over 2,000 square feet, situated on almost a half acre. Let's go check out all the updates they did on this home and see what you think. All right, so let's go take a look at this beautiful home and all that it has to offer. See what you think about the floor plan. Now you can see that they've done some nice landscaping on the outside, redone with some nice plants, pine bark mulch. You can see it over here. I'll show you this in a minute, but I want to show you the outside. It is a nice size side yard. This is all part of this particular home. And so we're going to take a look at the flow of this, see what it has to offer. Let's take a look at what we've got here. We're going to walk up here and show you this. Got the pavers, walking up this way. And then they've re-landscaped all this. It's very pretty. And done some nice fresh painting and new flooring and you name it. So done some great work at the stone entry when you first walk in. All right, let's walk in and give you an idea of the floor plan. So you can see it's been fully painted, new baseboards. And I'm going to walk you right into the main part of the house first, and then we'll take a tour of it. Beautiful open kitchen. Love the wood beams in the ceiling. And then of course this is your fireplace. Open design. And so let's look at the kitchen first and see what we think. It's got the quartz countertop, I believe, or could be marble, not really sure, but very pretty, very well done. Soft close cabinets. They got the subway tile for the backsplash there. And then you got 3 windows overlooking the pool area. Very pretty, nice and relaxing. We'll go out and see that in a minute. This is a closet pantry. You got the farm sink. And looking back over this, you can tell this more than likely had the old fluorescent with the panels, and they ripped that out. It brought the ceiling up even higher. They put looks like the LED lighting in and raised it, and there's still a pre-wire there, so if you want to put something out there, you can. Stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, range, microwave, fridge. And again, this is nice and open. So let me give you an idea of how this flows. So when you first walk in, you've got, again, a large entranceway. You can put a table here or what have you. Let's take a right. This is a really nice sized living room, separate living room. You can make it formal, you can make it a little bit of an office or just another sitting area, really. And then this is really like a formal dining area. Nice size. You could put a china cabinet on that wall over there on the left. Sliding glass doors, walking right into the pool. Okay. And then the master bedroom is right here. So it's a split bedroom design. Nice size master bedroom. Again, all new lighting here, all new paint, baseboards. First of all, I'll show you this. Again, another great view into the pool. No rear neighbors. We're going to show you that in just a minute. Let's take a look. There's a closet here on the right, but also another walk-in. We're going to show you that. Now, this bathroom is really pretty. Love the mirrors. And double sinks, soft close, really nice color of the cabinets. Ceramic tile flooring, got the wood look. This is really a nice bathroom with a walk-in shower. And then the tub, pretty, like it's like a marble almost. And I love this rock looking floor. Place there for your shampoo. Same thing here. Thought it was a TV, but it's not. Put your soap, your shampoo there, and then you've got all your modern fixtures there, a little handheld if you want to do that. And then toilet area is tucked in back here. Got a little privacy with the half wall, if you will. And the walk-in closet, which is plenty big. Holy cow, it's huge. Could get an attic access there. Need to get up on this side of the house too. All right, and again, closet over here to the left too. That's his, the other one's hers. Normally, not always, but just saying. But I have worked with several homeowners that tell me, no, my hubby's got more clothes than I do. So I just laugh. In fact, we all do. All right, so we're gonna come back to the laundry room. So let's look at the rest of the house. We're gonna walk to the very back. And back here, you're gonna see. We're gonna walk to the left first. First of all, small linen closet here. Okay, this is one of the bedrooms. I'm gonna call this bedroom number 4. Closet area. This looks into the large side yard, which we already saw that. It's got some fencing. So nice big light, lights up this room pretty good. This flooring is throughout, so good for pets, kids, you know, good for allergies, what have you. Now this has got a little bit of a walk-in for this bedroom. This is a nice sized bedroom. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but this is a nice sized bedroom. Double closets, which is great. Never have enough closet space. That chirp you hear is a smoke alarm that wants a battery. You can see they did all this really nice. So all this has been redone. And then the other bedroom. So this is where the 3 bedrooms and 1 bath are. This bedroom is great because it's overlooking the pool. So I love how they have all these sliders that put a focus on this outdoor area because it really, really is pretty. Okay, so that gives you an idea of the floor plan, but let's see this bathroom first. This is the other full bath, like the guest bath. Same countertops as in the master and cabinets, very pretty. Big mirror. It's got the touch right here. Honestly, these are a little bit newer. I don't even know what they'll do, but it's, yeah, you know, you name it, different, you name it. Whoops, let's leave it on. So there you go. All right, didn't mean to get in the video there, but all right, so this is another shower. So I'd get a door, shower door enclosure here, definitely, because it's probably gonna bring a little bit of water out here. Or you could, there are curtains you can get to kind of square this in, but to me, a nice shower door enclosure would look good. That again is to the pool area, so this could be a pool bath if you wanted it to, but it is your other full bath for your guests. All right, so we're gonna finish off the interior of the house with the laundry room. You can see big laundry room area, dryer, 220, and then your washer hook up here. So washer dryer, easily put some cabinets in here for storage. I would put cabinets right on here, maybe a folding area, some more quartz countertop, cabinets above it, and then could put a fridge right there if you have a second fridge, whatever. There's a lot of opportunity for this laundry room. Nice big room. Because it's like inside storage, right? Because it's inside, it's your air conditioning, so you could also look at it that way. And shut this door too so people don't see your stuff. But this is the 2-car garage. It has the painted flooring. It's a little bit of the sprinkles in here. So it adds a little color, and pull down attic stairs here. And then this is really nice because this goes all the way around here. So you can back up and see it. It's got additional storage. So the AC, we looked at it's 2017, both the air handler and the compressor outside, so they're about 8 years old. The listing states that this is newer, so I don't have an exact year, but you can tell it looks like it could be brand new, but we need to look at that to confirm. This simply goes out, it's like a service door, goes out here for your trash cans. So it's nice. I love garage service doors because if you want to put something in the cans, you don't have to always open that. Love it. You can pop right out here, drop your garbage bags right here, and it just saves you from having to put that door up and down all the time. So I don't know about you, if you've priced out replacing those things and this, and even the springs and everything, it gets a little pricey. So I'm a big fan of garage service doors. My wife says I'm getting old, which is probably true. All right, let's head outside. You can see this beautiful pool area. So first of all, you can see all the lighting down in here. It's really pretty. It's all pavers. Again, plenty of natural light. Got a great day here in Florida, end of November, right after Thanksgiving. Jacuzzi. Just drop right in there and enjoy some bubbles and some relaxing family time. And really, this lot is really good size. We're gonna walk out in the back in a minute. But you can see this was probably used to have a cabinet and sink here. Some of the plumbing is still there, but they have like a little gazebo out here. Pretty high screen too. You can see the reinforcement with the beams up there. So looks to have gutters all along here. There's your steps to go in this way. Let's go take a look at the back. We'll walk up the side. This is really pretty. No rear neighbors, always a good thing. When you come home, you want to be able to walk out here, you just have nobody in back of you. It's great. Just looks to be a huge, massive retention. I'm sure it's maintained by the HOA. Could be a football field, geez, or a soccer field. It's huge. Nice and mowed. Looks like it's well taken care of. Okay, and then over here, we've got additional trees. Cut these down, open this up a little bit more. Kind of do a little bit of fresh landscaping back here. And you could tell they had some kind of a pad there or something, but this could all be cleaned up. And then your propane tank, and then there's your side yard again. So I hope that's given you a good idea of the layout of this home. Absolutely beautiful 4-2 pool home, Seffner, Florida. Hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you have any other questions, all my contact information is below. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in to this walkthrough video. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home. I'd love to connect with you, talk about your real estate needs. All my contact information is below. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, whatever works for you. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Whenever I do more video walkthroughs, you'll get notified and you get to watch these fun home tours like this one. So God bless you. Have a great day.